What's doing? Welcome back. The Dmax is getting more mods. Let's have a look. So we've got the Dmax in here looking lovely as always, but we're going to be doing some things up here. That's right, we're fitting the raid rack. She's going to flatten out up the top and give me a flat spot there so we can put a rooftop tent up on there, carry some things up there, and try and keep accessorising this thing until she's all decked out with all the goodies. So lucky for young Wyatt, all we need to do is pull these roof rail gutter trims out, and then we can attach up in the roof. Both sides obviously, but on other models the actually thing bolts straight through the roof, so whole roof lining out, whereas this one we don't have to apparently. So yeah, we're gonna see Dmax raid rack Wyatt, and we have a couple of base mounts in. They just bolt into some already holes in the roof as you've seen earlier, so he's poked some holes in there, so the base holes are in, ready to go. And we'll get the rest of the mounts in and the rack on. Two big Aussie boys. I've zoomed in so White looks massive. Oh, there we go. He's just growing a couple of inches. And rack is going on. Ooh, look at that. Nice and easy. Line up with the spacers, bolt her on down. We'll put the front air dam on the front. I don't know if I'm going to run the Baja style lights. I'll probably just leave it all, yeah, just flat with the air dam on it. But that is pretty much the raid rack in. We just got to assemble the rest of the bits and pieces, tighten him down, and she's all good to go. There is all silicone in here to seal it all up, so it all seals up and doesn't leak any water in. But yeah, there's a little base space there for the flatten out. You can see the taper. So yeah, it's now roof rack engaged, so we should be able to have a nice flush line across. And once we get outside, I'll show you a big zoomed out photo so you can sort of see, but I think that's gonna look cool. And just like that, he's given it the alfalfa. I'm gonna have to fix that. What's he trying to do there? But yeah, we'll fix that up, but I think that looks really, really good. Don't know if I'm gonna do the bar highlights or a light bar yet. What do you reckon? Should I, shouldn't I? I think it really cleans up the line of the roof now with the canopy. Yeah, I think it definitely brings all the packaging together. I need to put side steps on to get rid of that light grey, so then we pick up all the black all the way around. I'm pretty sure I've still got flares coming as well. But yeah, and also I think do I put these spotties on here? I have to think of it before, but I think the light bar's just enough. Leave that all open. Yeah, I think that's really cool. These things, if you don't know, we have holes here all the way along. So you can drill these out and you can have handles on here, you can have lights on here. And then obviously when we step up top, we have all our little notches so you can put your little groove nuts in there and accessorize the hell out of it. So you can put up what you want, tie ring down, secure it all down and she ain't going anywhere. She's definitely rock solid on there, bolted into the roof. And yeah, definitely using factory mounts makes life nice and easy, no hood lining out. But yeah, it's a win for the Dmax. And yeah, I haven't driven with them yet. Apparently super quiet. I'm going to let you know what the drive like. I might drive home with it and I'll finish off a video after that. But with this air dam on there, it gets rid of all the air, wind noise you have, and tidies all up and keeps it all nice and clean. But I think that's really, really cool. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Like, it just looks cool. I think like, just how it all lines up, I think is the big win for this car. Just tidy that all up in together. And I know we're not in a very pretty spot at the moment, but it's definitely brings all the car together. I think that's going to be my thumbnail there even. That looks pretty cool. I thought I'd better explain how this front panel works, but you can literally just unbolt this. That whole front panel comes off like you've seen before, and that's where you can put your light bar in or put your lights, your cube lights in. Not cube lights, but these little spotties in, the little Neos. But yeah, it's yeah, super flat with the rest of the roof, so you can sort of see the angle there everyone's wanting to see. It lines up with the rest of the canopy all nice, so you have anything line across there. I do have little cross braces going here because we will have the rooftop tent going on, but at least that all lines it all up nice and flat, and yeah, we'll have it all finished off. So another step in the Dmax fit out. So I'll probably go for a drive when I get home. I'll give you a bit of a report on the wind noise, because I drove here obviously without anything on there, so I'll report on that. But for that, she's pretty much done. Yeah, she's pretty much done for this part of the mod. So it's now night time and I've just got home. I hung back and helped Jet do a bit of a health section on his hike. So if you're interested in seeing that, that's going to come out shortly on a YouTube video. I think we're going to do a bit of an ep on that. But yeah, now it's now dark. I've got home, 100k zone from Caloundra to the highway. I honestly don't think it made any difference at all to what it normally does. I couldn't hear any difference in wind noise at all. So compared to the early ones from different brands, which I won't name, which you were trying to do anything you could to try and shut the thing up, this thing is super quiet. All I could hear was the mirrors, really, like, you know, factory mirrors. So if you're looking for something to have a good roof rack, it's quiet, looks cool, has all different attachments, heaps of mount points, and has the option to have the, you know, the Baja light style or the LED light bar, this is the go. Heaps of makes and models are available for it. I will put a link to this one in the description to my website. But if you have one for, you know, a Ranger or a Hilux or whatever, we can get them all in and do them for you as well. So if that's what you're after, give us a yell, 54914626. Heaps of other accessories as well. Just check out our website. There's heaps of things on there, from, you know, little light globe things through to, you know, engine upgrades. So yeah, have a look over there. But yeah, hit that like, hit subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll talk to you in the next one.